I received not only one offer, I received multiple offers ranging
Wow.
from 8 to 10 LPA, where
Wow.
10 LPA, that too, it is fixed. There is no
Correct.
variable pay at all. We should update our profile every day,
Okay.
twice or thrice.
Able to go from 5.5 lakhs to close to 12 lakhs of package.
And also the response I get from you, yeah, of course you are very busy, and still I'm getting messages and replies from you for my questions. I'm very happy for that. I'm very thankful for that. They're like powered to build a house for my mom and dad.
Wow.
So that was pushing me every day.
Hi everyone, Saurabh this side, and I am again with a power pack story, with an empowering story of Pallavi. And you must have heard about like all masters were disasters at the beginning. And the same happened with Pallavi when she started off giving interviews, when she started off with her journey, and back to back, she was going ahead and she was not able to clarify. And this journey, she gave around 15 to 17 interviews in order to get the desired outcome. So let's welcome Pallavi and let's listen to her story, that how, what are the results she has been able to achieve and what were her actual backstory. All right. So hi Pallavi, welcome you in this Hall of Fame interview, and we would be glad to know like what are the results you have been able to produce. What is your current CTC and what is the maximum offer letter you have right now, and then we'll go much deeper inside of your journey.
So yeah, hi, I'm Pallavi Chekka. I'm a native of Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh, and I'm a 3 years professional and .NET developer. So it's like I completely worked on .NET technology. So basically from the Microsoft world. It was like when I started, like it's been 3 years, and I wanted to have a shift in my career. So I was starting for a job hunt. So like I my current CTC is 5.75. So I wanted to like in my next shift I wanted to receive at least 9 or 10 LP. I wanted my CTC to reach at least like 9 to 10 for sure, so that I will
Mhm.
be satisfied for the first shift.
Okay.
And yeah, so that was my intention.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I reached my goal. I received not only one offer, I received multiple offers ranging
Wow.
from 8 to 10 LPA, where
Wow.
10 LPA, that too, it is fixed. There is no
Correct.
variable pay at all. So
Mm-hmm.
it equals to something which is of 11.5 or 12 with variable pay.
True.
So I
Correct.
feel it's good. It's good. There is
Mm.
no variable pay, nothing. You will get at hand at the
Absolutely.
end of the month. So that
It is, it is,
that feels
it
nice.
is really wonderful to know about your results, first of all. And I know there would be a lot of hardships. I know there would be a lot of hard work, a lot of efforts, a lot of time, a lot of energy you must have put in the back process. Okay. So we'll go into like all the things, how you prepared, how you actively went ahead for interviews, how you grabbed more opportunities, how you made more opportunities. So everything we'll deep dive into it. Okay. So my
Sure.
first question to you is that what was your biggest struggle or what was your biggest pain point when like you wanted to fulfill this dream?
Yeah. First, my biggest pain point is like I was not receiving the calls, which is the
Mm-hmm.
entry point of any interview. So
Correct.
first, that is the main biggest point. And next one is my confidence. I was like worried. Uh, uh, am I able to crack this interview? Because it is
Mm-hmm.
first time I'm attending on my particular .NET track.
Mm-hmm.
So I was lack of confidence when I
Okay.
was in my early stages of this job hunt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are the two uh, points which I
Pain point.
struggled more. Yeah.
Okay. So when did you get to know about our Massive Eye community, and how did you like did you get to know it from your any one of your friends or colleagues, or like how did you reach out to us?
I got this from Instagram.
Okay.
I saw your Sunday session
Mm-hmm.
that poster. So I
Okay.
thought like let me try, let me register. Like
Mm-hmm.
that was on that day only. I saw that Sunday and
Mm-hmm.
morning I saw and I registered and I attended that.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's how I got that
Okay.
information about Mazu Hacker community.
Wonderful. So, Pallavi, what were your biggest takeaways? And what did you learn from that workshop? And like how you planned to go ahead for the next steps?
Yeah, whatever you mentioned in the session, was
Mm-hmm.
very new to that. I don't know about ATS. I don't know about job scan. I don't know about anything. Like, okay, fine. These are the processes. These
Mm-hmm.
all these process will go behind our interview selections and all.
Correct.
So I
Mm-hmm.
thought like, okay, I'll be getting so much of information, and
Mm-hmm.
that too at the right time for me.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought like, yeah, I should give it a try.
Mm-hmm.
Let me try. Let me see what will happen. In
Mm-hmm.
so somewhere you have to take one step
Mm-hmm.
that will lead to success. So I thought, yeah, that day I took right decision.
Absolutely, and a lot of people, I'm pretty sure that, like a lot of people, you would also be skeptical, or you would also be in doubt, like before
Yeah,
going, and like it happens.
yeah,
It is a human nature. It is a human tendency that we think twice or thrice before putting like any kind of self investment or any kind of learning and any kind of those things. So, what did that happen with you as well?
yeah, sure. I registered just before last 5 minutes only. Not even last 5 minutes. Some 2 3 minutes were left, and I like, fine. If this is in this investment, I should try. For okay,
Absolutely,
we'll spend some money. Simply we'll spend in
absolutely,
weekends. So I
correct.
thought like, yeah, we should try. Let me give it a try.
Hmm.
We'll see what will happen. So
Absolutely.
later, yeah, it helped me a lot.
Great.
Yeah.
So, Pallavi, what was your like? How did you start preparing? Like, once you jumped into the community, how did you start preparing? How did you start going ahead? And what were your action plan? Like, once you start out that, okay, this is what I'm going to achieve, and this is what I need to do. What were your exact action plan? What other people would be helped with?
Yeah. So as soon as I enrolled to the Massive Hikers community, I started going through the Massive Hikers guide. I was
Mm-hmm.
going through all the things, all pros and cons, what do's and don'ts, what you mentioned
Mm-hmm.
in that guide. I really followed it, and main thing I'll tell is like, some points really helped me a lot in receiving the calls. So
Okay.
in that, a few things are like, we should update our profile
Mm-hmm.
every day,
Okay.
twice or thrice. Like
Correct.
I just made it like when I open
Mm-hmm.
our social accounts like Instagram or Facebook, I made
Mm-hmm.
this updating to Naukri as one task, so which we
Mm-hmm.
do regularly. So
Okay.
as a break, we just go and open social media sites, right? So
Correct.
like that,
Mm.
I was doing that, so
Okay.
that I don't forget it.
All
So
right.
it should, so then like
So
every day.
that's the one thing. What
Yeah.
next? What other?
Uh, yeah, another one is like, my resume update. I was using some Word document which I prepared in my BTech,
All
and
right.
that I updated before. So after joining
Mm-hmm.
to Massive Hackers, I made it visually readable, and so that
Mm.
it will get some attraction when HR goes to that sees particular resume.
Correct.
I made that, and I think that helped me
Mm.
in this process so
True.
much.
Correct. It has to be eye
Uh,
catchy.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and also one more point, like you said, like your dream companies, like some MNCs and all. You should, before that you should at least attend some 4 or 5 companies. Then you will
Mm-hmm.
get to know like where are our negatives, where are our
True.
pain points. That will
Mm-hmm.
get to know. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that helped me a lot.
Okay.
That's true. Yeah. So
All
these
right.
things help
So
me a lot.
initially, what all companies did you targeted?
So initially, I was like, if some startups and all comes,
Mm-hmm.
I was like, yeah, let me give it right. These startups are like, fine. We don't. I even don't know the name, but
Mm-hmm.
okay, I'll get something from them. I'll note down the questions. I'll get to know this area I'm good, and
Mm-hmm.
this area I have to prepare more. So it
Mm-hmm.
was like that. I attended my first startup company,
Okay.
and yeah, it was like a huge disaster.
Mm-hmm.
I hardly answered some 30% of the questions,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, after as soon as the interview ended, I noted down all the questions
Mm-hmm.
without missing one question. I noted down everything. It took some 15 minutes for me to note down,
Correct.
and yeah, next day I prepared about all those topics.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, after that I attended one more startup kind of thing, and then I
Mm-hmm.
attended Infosys. So that is my first MNC which I attended, and I cleared it like like that. Like my third interview only I gained some confidence, because yeah, this question if you are asking, fine, I'll give the answer for sure with confidence. So whatever you know, right, we should tell
Mhm.
in confidence, so that interviewers like, yeah, they'll know. Even if it is wrong, fine, you say, you just tell them like, yeah,
Mhm.
this is I'm telling this is with confidence, so that they'll get to know, like, yeah,
Absolutely.
they're confident enough whatever they are saying.
True, correct.
So
So, what is your biggest advice to everyone who is watching for clarifying their technical interviews, as you were able to clarify more than 6 to 7 offers? And what is your biggest mantra of clarifying the technical interviews?
yeah, so technical interviews, like first we'll think like, coming to a full stack developer, I'll tell,
Mm-hmm.
we will have so many areas to prepare, not only one area. So
True,
we'll tell like, I'll prepare this, and let after completing our preparation, I'll go to interview. That
okay,
is never going to happen. That is
mm,
never, not even after 6 months, that is
correct.
not going to happen. So
Mm,
I was like, even I felt like that,
mm-hmm.
like, yeah, after preparing this, I'll go like that. I was postponing my interviews because maybe lack of confidence in that part. So
Correct.
I suggest like, whatever you prepared,
Mm-hmm.
you start attending interviews. You
Mm-hmm.
just start attending interviews, then you will get to know, okay, these are the main things I have to cover. So first we'll get those areas where now how the market is going on your
Mm,
particular
true.
technology, where they are
Correct.
exploring more. So you will get to
Absolutely.
know that.
Mm.
Then instead of preparing some old topics, it's better
Mm-hmm.
to prepare which areas, where projects, in the projects, whatever technologies we are using, that only interviews will ask.
Yes,
So
which
why
topics
why
are
waste?
trending and which topics are being asked
Sure.
more
Yeah,
number of times. Yes, it
correct.
is absolutely, it makes sense that you are putting your energy and you are putting your time in only on those things what are being asked and what are being common in trend
Yeah,
into the
which are
market.
in the market, not the old technologies.
True, correct.
So that I'll strongly suggest, and I'll
Mm-hmm.
strongly advise to the people who are mainly looking for this full stack developers, even in Java or .NET.
Mm-hmm.
So I suggest that.
Great. So, what are the resources, or what are some blogs, or what are some sites what you use to prepare for your technology and for your domain people?
Yeah, for Microsoft, right? Like .NET is completely on Microsoft. So
True.
Microsoft MSDN, there is official site.
Mm-hmm.
You'll get everything in that. Like
Mm-hmm.
like that is my first source, I can tell.
Correct.
So if you are
Okay.
searching for a particular topic, first of
Mm-hmm.
all, search in the main site. Then
Okay.
if you are not satisfied, and if you're not clear about it, then we'll go to some other sites like tutorials, teacher, or there .NET Trick, C Sharp Corner.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so whoever working on this technology, right, they'll get to know. Like we often search and often get results from these sites only. But I suggest more to MSDN main official site only you can follow, and it is very clear. I can tell Microsoft learnings are very clear.
Absolutely.
So yeah,
I
that's
hope the people who are watching it right now, it is more valuable conversation for you. And what are the kind of things what you are getting from Pallavi and from me? You'll be getting all the descriptions inside. Like when you click on the below, you'll all get the links and you'll get the portal sites and all those things under this description. All right. Yes, Pallavi. So my another thing to you is, what was your biggest takeaway? What was your biggest takeaway from the portal or from the community? What did you feel that okay, this is was completely mind blowing?
yeah, from community I felt it's very supportive, very
Mm-hmm.
very supportive, because I was I there was one interview schedule from an MNC,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know, like, there is a new test added to this one, but before it
Okay.
was not there. Just before
Mm-hmm.
2 months, this has happened. So I don't know very like idea about like how this test is going to be. Is it
Mm-hmm.
MCQ or is it coding? What's about that?
Okay.
So I posted it in the Facebook community, my
Mm-hmm.
Massive Hikers community.
Mm-hmm.
There I got like some people attended, so they commented that, yeah, I attended this interview, this
Mm-hmm.
particular MNC interview,
Correct.
and I contacted them. I spoke to them, and they are also very 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 supportive. Like they
Mm-hmm.
told like, these are the like, this is what the pattern is,
True.
and the difficulty level is like this, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so they are very helpful. and they told like
Correct.
the one, like how the entire day process went. Also,
Mm-hmm.
they communicated with me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and yeah, it's whole healthy environment I observed in the community. Very every people, like everybody are supportive, and they are giving referrals, and I gave referrals. So it was like that. It was like it's very good having such
Absolutely.
healthy environment
And it is
where we
very
have
much
common
important
goals.
to mastermind, to connect, to talk, and to network with those people who are on a same mission or on a
Yeah.
same goal. So that was the bigger goal before starting off this community and before starting off this group and this whole idea, that we can actually club all those people who are on a similar mission.
Yes.
Great.
True.
So, Pallavi, you have shared about your journey, about your action plan, about your the materials from where did you prepare, and all those things. Your results. You have been able to go from 5.5 lakhs to close to 12 lakhs of package. So all those things are perfect. Okay, but I really want to know that one reason, that one point, that bigger why, which was actually pushing you on everyday basis.
Yeah, it's my family, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
So I have responsibilities, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm elder sister. So actually, my family is of four members: my mom, dad, and me, and my younger sister. So
Okay.
I have so many responsibilities to fulfill,
Mm-hmm.
and I have a dream to build a house for my
Mm-hmm.
mom and dad.
Wow.
So that was pushing me every day.
Great. Are they
Yeah,
happy now?
yeah, they are very happy.
Wow.
Yeah,
It's like
I'm
you.
near
Mhm.
to my dream. I'm going near to my dream.
Absolutely. And this is just a beginning. And like, I'm pretty sure that the kind of action plan, the kind of dedication, and the kind of efforts you have put in just few weeks, just few months, and you were able to make that happen. In further, like after 1 year, after 2 year, after 3 year, you would be going and you will be touching more heights into that particular thing. So, what is the time frame it actually took for you to like complete these kind of results or make that happen?
Yeah, it's just 2 months. No, I think less than 2 months. I got all these offer letters which I was expecting. So
Okay.
December 13th I joined, and Jan now it is Feb. So it's not even 2 months.
Correct.
So less than 2 months only I got the results. Yeah,
Wow.
and
Perfect.
also I was getting interaction with the massive hikers team. Like
Mm-hmm.
they are asking about the results and what was the status, what you were
Correct.
expecting. Like like yeah, that kind of, you don't feel you are alone.
Absolutely.
Someone will
Mhm.
be guiding you, like that you will
True.
feel.
Connect.
And also the response I'll get from you. Yeah, of course you are very busy, and still I'm getting messages and replies from you for
Mhm.
my questions. I'm very happy for that. I'm very thankful for that. Like I
Mhm.
feel like, yeah, somebody is there for me to guide in this kind of situations. Yeah, thank
Wow,
you.
thank you so much, Pallavi. It really means a lot. And the only mission and the only idea behind all these things were that when I was on this journey, when I was at your place, I was switching, I was preparing, and I was like going through that tough phase. I was earning very less amount of CTC or packages and salaries. At that point of time, there was no one. Like I used to try and test and try and test and try and test. That was the whole bigger why. If you will ask me that, what is your bigger why, Saurav? Why you're helping so many thousands of people and all this? So that was my bigger why, that the problem or the pain point what I struggle, I really need to be that someone whom you or like other people can trust, and like you would feel that okay, I have someone to go with, to ask with, and to like get through in my journey. So it was
Yeah,
a
that was
great conversation with you, Pallavi. The kind of knowledge bullets you shared, I am sure it is going to help a lot of people. One last thing, what you would like to advise and what you would like to tell people who are on this journey, who are trying out things, who have not been able to generate results so far, and who are trying out, like maybe they are part of our community or maybe they are not part of our community. What is that one message you want to give them?
yeah. So I tell like first of all, you should be confident. It's
Mm-hmm.
not your board exams that you have to wait for 1 year. If you fail,
Mm-hmm.
there is another company waiting for you if you are failing in
True.
in this company.
Mm-hmm.
And like, so whenever you are making mistakes, right? So next
Mm-hmm.
time You think like next time this particular mistake I'm not going to do. So if you're not able to answer this particular question in the company, you don't believe next company for sure they'll ask this question. I faced
Correct.
it twice in my interviews. So
True.
like that. So you should like once if you are failed in giving answer for in that interview,
Mhm.
that's fine. You note it and prepare it again
Correct.
and
That
attend
is the
next
part of the
interview.
process. Like fail and
Yep.
improve, fail and improve, fail and improve. That's
Yeah.
how, that's the only way you can just rise high and you can climb high.
Yeah, and one more point is like like you make a habit like when once you come to this job hunt,
Mm-hmm.
update your profile and update your Naukri or LinkedIn portals every day
Mm-hmm.
at least thrice or four times, like how many
True.
times you possible. You don't even think like one day I attended four interviews and
Mm-hmm.
four I cleared.
Wow,
I was
that is
like, I don't
really
have
awesome.
time like that. Like back to back. I had interviews and I four interviews I cleared it. So I was like very happy. Yeah, I was like from not even getting from one call or two calls in a week to four attending four interviews in a day. So I was
Mm.
very happy for that.
Wow.
And also this notice period issue I faced.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, so I played with this notice period. I made it 60 days. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
it was actually 90 days.
Correct.
So I told like, yeah, it is negotiable. It is negotiable to 60 days. I mean bench and yeah. So that kind of
Correct.
things will help for sure for
Absolutely.
90 days
And we
period.
have to do that particular sort of permutation and combination.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Wow, it's great interacting with you, Pallavi, and I hope
Me too.
this conversation is gonna empower a lot of people. And you are that source who is going to push and who is going to inspire a lot of ITNs.
Thank you. That's my pleasure. Pleasure of
Wow, great.